everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for Adornable Elements, the Beads of the Month Club. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. You can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 and save 10% off your order from them. These are the funnest beads to work with. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other beads of the month clubs to choose from. So yeah, definitely check out their website below. So let's get started here with these. So this is Pangea, not sure what that is. Oh, look at this. Ooh, look at these. And then Arctic Storm. Oh, wow. I just, these 3-hole beads right here, I just did, I'm about to do a tutorial with those from last month. So let's see here. Let's take these out. We'll start with the 2-hole beads. These. I'll get some little dishes here. So we've got DU. There's KAL. I like Amos. Oh, these are pretty. STD. I just look at the CHV. GNK. KHP. Wait. CHV. Oh, there's 2 GNKs here. 4. Did I get 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Oh, that's weird. Maybe it was mislabeled. DU. Well, I got 2. It could be mislabeled. GNK. GNK, okay. These Gold Splash Smoke Topaz Gem Duos. That's what these look like. Okay. So I think these were mislabeled. And then the GNKs are, yeah, gray, blue. Okay. Okay. So let's start. And these are the 2-hole beads. Let's start with the light gold matte Carlos Parpucas. Get some of these out. Look at how pretty these are. Look at that. It's so tiny, and yet there's 2 holes in there. It's just crazy how they can get 2 holes into this tiny bead. I was showing my dad that, and he was saying the same thing. Though my dad's 89, and he even said, even with my bifocals, I can't see the 2 holes. What a pretty bead, though. Look at those. So pretty. I can't wait. I've been having so much fun with my Adornable Elements subscriptions. So I have that. Next is the full Maria Matte Amos Parpucas, 6 grams. I'm going to take some of them out. These are so much fun to work with. And they have the 2 holes on this side like that. You have like almost like a smoky gray with like a gold and kind of a copperish look. Each one's just a little bit different. You can do so much with these. I have, where's my earrings at? Here's one of my earrings that I made. I'm going to be doing a tutorial soon. And here, see how I use those along with some fire polish beads. So these can be used in a lot of different settings. So you can make flowers with them. So pretty. And next, these are gorgeous. Crystal Sunset Full Etched Storm Duos. Oh, these are, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if the camera is capturing it the way I'm looking at it. I can't really tell. These are gorgeous. It's like some of them are, they're really sparkly on the side, and then they're a little more of a matte where the holes go through, and some of them are sparkly where the holes go through, and then they're matte on the side. So imagine putting a bunch of these together. Look at that. Look at that shine on some of these. Oh, we're going to be having a blast this month. I love my job. My job is to play with beads all day. And next is the Backlit blue-brown Chevron beads. I think that's what these are, yeah. Okay, yeah, chevrons, these are. And I love them that they're the silver on one side, and then you get that backlit, the blue-brown, like they said. It's so pretty. There are 2 holes here. You could do something where, you know, you could have like every other one like that. You know, you can give a lot of interest. Let me move these aside. See how you could kind of do something and change it up, or you could do them all one way. So there's a lot you can do with these. They pack these containers filled. It's like, oh, okay. And next is G&K. It's Confetti Splash Gray Blue Ginkgo, 7.5 grams. Oh, these are really fun to work with. I've been, hold on one second. Let me see if I have them. Okay, yeah, here's another one, another tutorial I have coming up where I used them in these earrings. I'm going to be having some tutorials coming up soon. And see, I just kind of put them together like that with a seed bead in between, and they make a really pretty shape then, because they're so unique the way they're shaped. So these are really pretty. And I love that little etching on them. Gonna be having a blast. Oh. Okay. We have that. And next is KHP Pastel Petrol Cheops Parpukas. Oh. And let me, can't find any, hold on one second. Yeah, so this is how they can go. So they go through there, so you can really do some pretty bead weaving with these, and the color is so pretty. And next is, this should be, I'm gonna change that. This should be GD for Gold Splash Smoky Topaz Gem Duos. They put a G and K. That's what, yeah. Look at how pretty these are. See, now they're flat on one side. I know they're so tiny. And then they have that little raised part right there. So these are so pretty though. These are so much fun to work with. Hold on, I think I got, oh, I don't have any in front of me. Hold on one second. I have a bunch of my earrings. Okay. Here is one. Now these are green and red. These are my Christmassy earrings, but that's using them, but those are green. These are the Smoky Topaz, but see how you can use them like that. And they make such pretty like little flowers. You can use them for so many different things. So I have those. And last but not least, for the 2-hole beads, Olivine Super Duos. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, this reminds me of the green sour apple Jolly Ranchers. That's what these are. So you want to put them in your mouth, but you can't. That's what they look like. They look like the sour apple Jolly Ranchers. Yes. To a T. It was like someone was sucking on one when they created these. Oh, so pretty. So these are the 2-hole beads for this month. Let me get out the Hot and Trendy and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the iced slushy blue oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Sriracha, Mino Parpuca. Okay, don't yell at the messenger. Caraco. Okay, I think it's Caraco. Okay. Oh, look at these. And these just have 1 hole. These are really pretty. Oh, yes. We are going to have so much fun with these beads. Look at all of them you get. They're 6 grams. So pretty. And next is the full Argentese Silver Arcos Parpucas. I really can't talk today. These have 3 holes. So this is what I made using the white ones that it came with one of the boxes. So you get to you can really have a lot of fun with these. You could put a big bead inside there and then a couple seed beads on the side. And you know, there's so much you can do with these. Okay, and next is the light green aqua shimmer ring. There's 10 pieces. I have to pull this out. Look how pretty these are. Oh, wow. These are pretty. Light green aqua. Yeah, that's exactly this color. That how pretty. They're so nice and soft. Put back in there, tuck them in, and then I'm going to put this little in there just so we don't break them. Okay. Next is full chrome matte leaves. 15 pieces. Oh. Let me get these out. Oh, look at these. Look at that. You see that little etching on there? It's almost like a wash. Full chrome matte leaves, but yet it's got that etching. If I'm making it worse by holding it up. If you can see it, these are really pretty. There's so much detail to these that I'm sure the camera just can't pick up. And the holes at the top. So it's like they're matte, but yet they have that silver wash etching. So pretty. It's like, okay, next is the Jet White Luster Heart. Jet White. Okay. Oh, okay, and look at their hearts. Oh, look how cute. Oh, how cute are these? And there's still a lot more in here. These are really pretty. There's 50 pieces. Look at how pretty those are. Next are the opaque green jade round drops. Okay, there's 12 of them. So there's the top. These are really pretty. I mean, the possibilities for these 2 boxes are like so pretty. Next is Crystal Etched Tea Luster Tulip Petal, 25 pieces. So it just has the one hole at the top. And you see they're different depending on what size you're using. Gorgeous. And last but not least, these are the Jet Matte Octo. Let me open this up, 20 pieces. Oh, I love this. It's like they're so matte, and then you get that little middle. See that's shine in there? Oh, so cool. Now, this is what I used with my other ones. Oh, I showed you this one already with the other. But so I use them. These are the same ones. They're just a different color. And so I used them with the other beads. So these are just such a cool color. I can't wait to work with all of these. Oh, one just dropped. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave the link below to their website, and if you use the coupon code BNJewelry10, you get 10% off your first order with them. And let me tell you, you will have a blast, especially if you love bead weaving and all that. I mean, the possibilities are endless when it comes to these beads. So yes, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have a link. You can click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I also have all of my social media below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook page. If you'd like to follow me on there, I put stuff up on there as well. And I look forward to doing some tutorials with these gorgeous beads. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.